we are big, good a son of Satan, a son of King Selassie. At the LBVC, everybody living in unity. Pagan city gathering catch anxiety. Variety a trap set up for slew you and me. Sincerely appeal to the Almighty, me Allah. Don't leave we alone, Father. Don't leave we alone. I chat through the valley of the shadow of death, and the place full of only we alone, Father. I say the place full of dry bones. Yeah, don't sight up them plan, understand. Since 1975, the World Health Organization said that the earth is overpopulated by 90%, alright? Google it if you want to know the truth. I say, them vaccination with maximum vaccine.
Tiny was that person, you understand? And you know, me and Tiny is like brothers, real blood brothers, you know. Mom's gonna remember that, you know. And when Tiny vex with me, if I vex with Tiny, he doesn't even show it, you know. When we see each other, you know what I mean, it's just a love, you know what I mean. And I'm glad to know that when he passed, you know, we were smiling, you know what I mean, because you know what I mean, man and man we have differences, you know what I mean. And Tiny all in steel, the other day I see Tiny partying and still on the same boy, I never know steel nice, so you know what I mean. So he went to Menadjoy, you know. So everybody here, we have also come out to represent for you, brother, you understand. And he up in Zion, everybody know what Tiny is right now. Yeah, man. Because he doing work, he put in his work, you understand. Nobody can take away that from Tiny, you understand. Saying so, in Jah name, let me send Tiny home, you know. Jah Rastafari.
Till I'm laid to rest, yeah, depressed, there's no life.
Strength to bear this burden. Can't ask you to forget it, because it's hard for us all to forget. Tiny was a pillar in San Fernando. He was a pillar in Broadway, a pillar in Pleasantville. You know, there's a strength to a lot of us. He was a strength to a lot of our youths out on the streets out there. He used to be watching our youths while we don't know and protecting them from the dangers and the perils that out there, because it is clear out there stupid. And so sometimes I used to see him out there drunk, and I used to curse on him for being drunk out there. But guess what's going on? He was still out there watching out for the youth and them. You know? So he was still doing works despite the different conditions. He was hardened, but then he was firm same way too. That's my brother in the music. That's my brother in the faith. He came by me and we did a lot of music together. I was mad with him because he never put out none of his music. And we all know that he have a lot of music in him. Hey Baba? Eh? Papi, why used to call him? Frills. Again, then he used to be on a lot of frills because he ain't putting out music. Don't it? And he had real music. He had real music. See? Now hear what's going on. He has so much of songs. I can't remember them all. But one time when he came through by me and we sat and we wrote a song together. Mama, I don't know if you ever hear it. Then again, before I bring that song, everybody that be talking about love in the house, love in the house, love in the house, love in the house. Well, you know, Tiny is the man who coined that phrase. I don't know about people and people and people, you know. Tiny is the man who started that word song. People used to say love in the heart, love in the heart. Tiny is the man who's, Mama, if you don't know, Tiny is the man who started that.
Big up Brass Lion Hand. Yeah. DJ Maxi Pay. inside of us, and that's a must. And in the Almighty high, we put we trust.